Hi, welcome to the quiz. You will be presented with multiple choice questions, each displayed on screen for a short time. Please make sure to attempt answering all the questions. Quizzes help us to reinforce our knowledge, identify areas where we need to focus more, and improve our overall performance. Taking quizzes can also help to increase retention and make the learning process more engaging and enjoyable. With that out of the way, you can answer along on quizalto.com. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. Which AWS service is integrated with AWS IoT Analytics for data visualization? AWS Lambda, Amazon QuickSight, AWS CloudFormation, Amazon Redshift. What type of data store is used in AWS IoT Analytics for long-term storage? Memory cache, managed data store, SQL database, virtual server. What is a key benefit of using AWS IoT Analytics for data processing? Manual intervention, automated data processing workflows, on-premises data handling, complex hardware setup. What is the benefit of using AWS IoT Analytics for IoT data processing? Fixed data formats, on-premises storage, dedicated hardware requirements, scalability and flexibility. Can AWS IoT Analytics handle real-time data? Yes, but only for text data. Yes, it processes data in real time. No, it processes historical data only. No, it processes batch data only. What type of storage is used for raw IoT data in AWS IoT Analytics? Database tables, channel storage, memory cache, local disks. How does AWS IoT Analytics ensure data integrity during processing? By using dedicated hardware. By storing data locally. By validating and filtering data. By reducing data encryption. Which feature in AWS IoT Analytics allows for scheduled data processing? Security groups, user policies, local scripts, data pipelines. What is a common use case for AWS IoT Analytics? Hosting web applications, network configuration, database management, predictive maintenance. Which AWS service can be used to enhance the analytics capabilities of AWS IoT Analytics? AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Aurora. Which AWS service can be used to create complex queries in AWS IoT Analytics? Amazon Rekognition, AWS Glue, AWS S3, Amazon RDS. Which AWS service can you use to visualize the data processed by AWS IoT Analytics? Amazon QuickSight, AWS Glue, Amazon S3, AWS Step Functions. What can AWS IoT Analytics help businesses achieve with their IoT data? Gain insights and make data-driven decisions. Host web applications. Develop mobile apps. Manage email campaigns. What is the function of the data management service in AWS IoT Analytics? To create machine learning models. To deploy IoT applications. To configure network settings. To manage and store IoT data. What is a key feature of AWS IoT Analytics data processing? Pre-built data processing activities. Dedicated hardware requirement. Manual data entry requirements. On-premises data storage. What is the main purpose of an AWS IoT Analytics dataset? To manage user access. To run queries on processed data. To store raw data. To configure network settings. How can AWS IoT Analytics data be accessed for analysis? By downloading as CSV. Using SQL queries. Through API only. By manual data entry. How does AWS IoT Analytics support machine learning? By managing machine learning frameworks. By hosting machine learning models. By providing GPU instances. By preparing and processing data for analysis. What kind of analysis can be performed using AWS IoT Analytics? Video encoding. Predictive analytics. Game development. Website hosting. What is the role of AWS IoT Analytics in IoT data lifecycle management? Deploying IoT devices. Managing IoT device firmware. Processing and analyzing data. Creating network configurations. Which feature of AWS IoT Analytics helps in processing large volumes of IoT data? Manual data processing. Limited data ingestion. Scalable data pipelines. Static storage volumes. What is the first step in processing data in AWS IoT Analytics? Running SQL queries. Creating visualizations. Deploying models. Ingesting data through channels. Which programming languages are supported for AWS IoT Analytics custom functions? Python and JavaScript. Swift and Kotlin. Ruby and PHP. C++ and Go. Which AWS service is essential for integrating with AWS IoT Analytics for data ingestion? AWS S3. Amazon EC2. AWS RDS. AWS IoT Core. What is AWS IoT Analytics primarily used for? To collect, process, and analyze IoT data. To manage EC2 instances. To host websites. To provide real-time video streaming. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.